It is very interesting to note that while the Nifty has managed to gain about 8% for the current calendar year, the Nifty Bank is still down about 8%. So there is still a room for catch up for the Nifty Bank stocks, so to say. But if you have a look at how the weightage picture has changed as far as the banking and financial sector is concerned, and some of the other heavyweight sectors as well, there's an interesting trend that really stands out. First, let me address, from Jan 2020, how has the BFSI sector moved in the Nifty in terms of its weightage. In Jan 2020, the BFSI weightage was about 41.49%, which dipped to about 38.85% in the month of March 2020, which is when we hit the multi-year low on the Nifty itself, which was about 7511. However, the May 2020 weightage was even further lower at about 33.34%. That is exactly when the underperformance of the banking and financial stocks was actually highlighted. However, from there on, there has been a smart recovery that we have seen from the banking stocks as well. The current weightage in the Nifty of the BFSI sector stands at 39.28%. So which is essentially almost back to the pre-COVID levels or Jan 2020 level that we had seen. Of course, a little bit shy of that number, but we've had a good recovery since the month of May 2020. So which are the sectors that have seen the largest weight increase since May 2020? The banking and financial stocks really stand out over here. Banking weightage has gone up from 24.17% to about 27.27%, while the financial space has increased from 9.17% to more than 12%. The IT stocks have also seen a surge from 14.7% to 15.75%. So overall, the BFSI sector has seen an increase of nearly 600 basis points since May 2020, while IT stocks have also seen a weight increase of more than 100 basis points. On the flip side, which are the sectors that have seen a decrease in their weightages? Let's address those as well. FMCG tops the pack over here. From 13.41%, it has reduced to 11.17%. That is a more than 200 basis points decline in its weightage. And then you have telecom, which has gone down to 1.99% from nearly 3.6%. So over 100 basis points lost over there as well. And you have oil and gas, which was also lost 100 basis points. From 14.29%, it has gone down to 12.94%. Now, of course, out of all of this, what is most important is to note the fact that how the stocks have actually evolved, or the inclusion and exclusion that has happened in the Nifty. And that, will show the clear picture why the BFSI sector has seen an increase in its weightages from the May 2020 low that we hit. That is because two stocks, HDFC Life as well as SBI Life, have been included as part of the financials in the Nifty. And then you have Divi's Laboratories, which has also been added to the Nifty, and that belongs to the pharma pack. On the flip side, the stocks that have been excluded are Vedanta from the metals pack. You have Zee Entertainment from the media pack. Remember that media representation was only in the form of Zee Entertainment. So with the exclusion of Zee, media is no longer a part or represented in the Nifty itself. Why the telecom stocks have seen a decline in their weightage? Because Bharti Infratel has been excluded, and that's the reason we are seeing more than 100 basis points reduction in the weightage of the telecom stocks.